Alright, I've been looking this over to see what's really wrong here. So, I got the seat loose. You can see the hole right through there where it goes through. And it's all ripped out. That whole back, all that black stuff right there you're looking at is bent out quite a bit. You see in there how it's all torn. All under here is all buckled out. You see how it's pulled away an inch right under there. When you look up under here, you can see all the wrinkled metal all through here. It's all wrinkled. But all of this has been pushed forward a long ways. Pretty bad. This here is probably all bent out. It's probably supposed to be going in straight. So it's pulled out like that far. So that's all bent pretty heavily. So, making this door seal again. This lip right here comes right along in this edge here. Is it up in here? Let's see, I think it's this lip here is down here. It's right on this edge here. And obviously that'll never seal right there the way it is, because she's gone. So I'm not sure how that's ever going to work again. Yeah, you follow this here. It comes down the outside here is where it would seal. So from here down to here, it's kind of a void, which means a big air leak. All right. So yeah, she's pretty damaged. Took a massive hit right there that we already knew. So that is making it more and more of a junk car. It's not really worth the money to fix stuff when you're getting this bad. If the car was worth something, you could do it, but when it's not worth anything, it ain't worth it. So even getting it back so I just get it on the road is more work than I want, because right now I can't put the swing arm back on because this is in the wrong spot. So to get that pulled back would be a lot. Trying to figure out what this is supposed to look like under here. My guess is this was supposed to be going straight out. It's folded in around the swing arm right now because there's no access to this bolt the way it is currently. So this is what took all the forces right under here, and that's been bent. This is all secondary, easy peeled open up in here, but this is what our rocker down here took the big hit. That's where the wheel really jammed in hard. Alright, so I am not sure what we're going to do about this. Obviously you can't roll a car around with only 3 wheels on it. It'd be pretty hard to do. Alright, I am not sure what I'm going to do about this. Anyway, to get this rear seat out, there's a couple bolts up under here I got to get from the trunk, which I don't want to do today because it's supposed to rain. So I think we're going to leave this for now. Surprisingly, the door does close like that, but it has got an air leak right there. You can see it, so because the whole thing's bent out. But up in here, the door jam's perfectly straight. So the car is not buckled. It's just all this area down in here is buckled. So ways of fixing that, if you wanted to, is get the old saw out and start cutting all this bad area away. You cut all the bad shit out, and then everything else goes back where it's supposed to be. And then you just put metal back. Beat the metal back flat on the ground and then put it back in. If you don't have tools, that's how you do it. Remove and replace parts. This stuff here can be all beat back with a hammer up in here. Even this here can be beat with a hammer. It's not too much thickness there. It is double wall. There is something back behind all that. So it's probably supposed to look like this up in here. So anyway, I don't know. This is some kind of a frame member under here. It's up there in the frame area. This whole rocker's bent upright like this, so it's all bent up pretty good. There's definitely some damage there. Alright. Probably junk. Now, we'll figure it out. Oh well, that's where we're at for now.